Get Yankees richer.
Sometimes I feel like shit.
Yeah, blue tape.
Sometimes I feel like shit.
Blue tape. Get back.
I feel like shit sometimes.
Your ass, man.
I feel like shit. Sometimes I feel like shit. I feel like shit sometimes. Like I just wanna quit sometimes. Like I just wanna flip sometimes. I might need to sip that wine. I might need to sniff that line and just twist that dime. Guess I'm in my prime. I need me some kickback time. Hustling, my nigga, I live that grind. I'ma spit crack rhymes till I get back mine. And nah, everything ain't fine. I feel like it's all on me sometimes. It's not how I want it to be sometimes. In the streets sometimes, the heat sometimes. Up all night, can't sleep sometimes. That's why I don't even speak sometimes. Cause I feel that weak sometimes. Pussy, that's what I wanna eat sometimes. My lady said she need a freak sometimes. Went from taking the dick to making me sick. Vacations and trips, even bought her a whip. Yeah, I feel like shit. Bitches and these niggas like shit sometimes. Loyalty and love don't exist sometimes. Them bump their head like it slipped their mind. I feel like shit. I feel like shit sometimes. I feel like shit. Sometimes I feel like shit. Yeah, I feel like shit sometimes. I feel like shit sometimes. I feel like shit. Sometimes I feel like shit. I feel like shit.
Yeah, I feel like shit. Sometimes I feel like shit. Yeah, I feel like shit sometimes. I'll be high as a blimp. Sometimes fall asleep in my whip. Sometimes restaurants no tip, managers don't trip. They know I empty the clip. Sometimes free lobster and shrimp. Sometimes I feel I gotta repent. Every dollar I spent, it's a major event. Sometimes I miss Fife and Tip. Sometimes on point, stressed out of my bitch. Sometimes baby crying I flip. Nigga hitting the strip, cause I gotta get wick. Sometimes, instead of paying I Vic. Sometimes, wedding band but I trick. Sometimes, my daughter thinking I'm strict. Sometimes, said I'm making her sick. Never calling a bitch, never chicken or fish. Sometimes, I tell her we got a wish. Sometimes, shoot your shot, might swish. Sometimes my brick, can't live life slow, gotta live life quick. Sometimes.
Why the fuck you ain't answering the fucking phone? What's going on here, man? I'm trying to run a business. Who the fuck is that guy? I ain't hired him. He's what? Excuse me, what is that? From where? The South? No, man.
Just came home, man. And I know how to fix phones. What you talking about, nigga? I done did 14 years, nigga. I fix everything, nigga.
So you know, tell me what you're doing besides letting get Yankees richer, what you're about, what you're doing with yourself, and let the world know that.
On top of everything, this is a blessing to be here. All of us, good energy, everybody coming.
Great energy.
With a legend, Nate, just to give it up. I got my brother, Large Amount, with me. This is my brother. This is so much my brother. Our daughters got the same birthday.
Love it.
He was born on Christmas, I was born on Easter.
God is good.
So that's crazy how I intertwine the afterbirth to, you know, Christ's birth.
Yes.
But at the end of the day, my flowers I want to give to nature for even just being on a record with nature and even holding it with nature. So I do spit, but I do make like records. I make R&B, I make Afrobeat records. I do all that stuff.
You're a producer, you do clothes, you do hats, everything.
I do clothes, I do everything. I
Okay.
Personal training, I do everything.
All right. Well, thank you, Flino. Large.
My Instagram, FLEA, Flino, Flea Block Nino #2. Follow that. And the
Love
other
y'all.
Instagram is Rough Play.
Thanks, Nature, for coming. Everybody clap for Nature, man. Big Face Gary Show. I love y'all. Logging out, logging up, logging up. Love y'all. Holla.
Yeah, we appreciate the love. We came out, we saw, we went. We appreciate the love, BigFaceGaryShow.com. Y'all log in, man, and the Big Face Gary Show YouTube. We got 98 Nate, the album coming out. We got Large Amount, the Lufthansa Heist. We got Cassandra, the Goddess. You got Kill Ali. Y'all seen it all. We here, and me, one and only Flino. Y'all get a taste of me later on. Y'all know what time it is, man. The Big Face Gary Show YouTube. Log in, y'all.
Flino, you might be nice like me, Flino. Who taught you that shit?